it's Emma from Direct Depot Kitchens, and I'm here to show you another great accessory for our Starmark custom cabinetry. Today, I'm going to show you our stationary baking tray divider. This unit is a necessity in any new kitchen. It offers convenient vertical storage of baking sheets, cookie trays, and roasting tins. Larger cabinets will have multiple dividers, while smaller cabinets will have fewer ones. The best part is that these high-quality partitions are inexpensive and easy to add to any base cabinet. Ask your designer where you should put yours, and don't forget to check it out here at Direct Depot, along with all of our other great Starmark cabinetry accessories. Thanks for watching!